This video provides a quick step-by-step guide on how to get a refund on Booking.com. To prepare, identify your reservation number, dates, payment method, and total charged. Be sure to screenshot your confirmation, receipts, and any relevant messages. Step 1 is to gather your booking details. Review the booking cancellation policy on your reservation page. Check the host or hotel refund rules, and note any non-refundable clauses. Also, confirm if travel insurance or extenuating circumstances apply to your situation. Step 2 is to check the cancellation policy and eligibility. Use the Manage Booking option to request modification/cancellation. You can message the property via Booking.com to politely request a refund. If needed, escalate the issue by contacting Booking.com customer service via phone or chat. Step 3 is to formally request a refund from Booking.com. Provide clear evidence, such as receipts, photos, and correspondence, along with your reason for the refund. Ask for a refund timeline and a confirmation reference number, and follow up every 48 to 72 hours, documenting all replies. In summary, act quickly, as earlier requests improve your chances of success. Use screenshots and clear evidence to support your claim. Escalate to Booking.com support when necessary, and keep meticulous records until your issue is resolved.